Welcome to BHUMA Multi Creations. Today we can see about how to download and install custom fonts in Pixellab. Step-by-step tutorial. Open Google Chrome. Search for font style free download, or you can also directly enter the font name. You can either download for free or premium font depending on your needs. Click fontspace.com. Download the font you like, clicking download button of the font. Font file will be available in zip format. Open Google Files. Open download folder. Click font zip file. Extract the file, that is unzip file. Click finished. Go to Pixellab. Go to text editing icon. Click font. Come to my font and click add font. Go to downloads and click your font you downloaded and click the fonts in .otf files or TTF files. Click OK. Double tap the new text and type it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Click OK. Change the font to my downloaded font. Come to my font. Come to search and write the name what we download. And choose your font and click OK. Now our font is applied. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.